our needs are changing to greed.
Oh my God.
Our needs are changing to greed. And so many people are.
People demands are very high. They need everything in his life. They need their life very easy. Okay? You use refrigerator, you use AC, you use light in your life. And because of science,
solar panels earlier solar panels were very expensive. Now it is very cheap. Every building has solar panels.
No, sir, it is not free of cost.
So in this stand-up debate, a person will be sharing opinion from here. And if you think that this point is really deniable, you have to step ahead and ask reason. You have to debate with him, right? Likewise, if a person shares opinion from here, if you think, yeah, this point is really not good, you have to step ahead and talk to her and talk to him. And I just want, chahe aap acha bolo, chahe aap sahi bolo, chahe aap kharab bolo, I don't care about it. I want to see your zeal of speaking. I want to see your confidence of speaking among these people. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Can we start? Yes. So you guys are saying that science is really not good for us, right? Sir. This AI and this ChatGPT is not good for us, right? So Mr. Sujit is going to share his opinion and tell the reason. Hold it.
Yes, sir.
Tell them a reason. It's your first debate, right?
Yes, sir.
Come on, no problem.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sujit Gond, and I am from Maharashtra district. And my topic is science is been for us. And you know that the biodiversity is decreasing.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir. You can see that. And so many species are extinct already.
Have been extincted.
Have been extincted.
विलुप्त हो गए हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
And also some species are extincting there. So you can see the example of the passenger pigeon.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And
Bengal tiger.
Okay.
And also other animals are also like a sparrow. You can see there is no sparrow in our surroundings.
Exactly. Very nice.
And also,
Yes.
Radiations are also bad impact our lifestyle.
And you guys are supporting science and you are saying that it must be increased? Shame. Oh, excuse me, what?
Same money.
Oh my God.
And also, sir, you can see that, sir, our needs are changing to greed.
Oh my God.
Our needs are changing to greed. And so many people are misusing this for the money.
People are misusing.
Is
there anybody who would like to talk? That's a good point, of course. Nobody. That's great. Oh my God. Oh my God. So they have accepted. Come ahead.
So because of technology, we have now new machines which can detect diseases in animal, and we have increased the life expectancy as well. Now we have vet also. We have many machines which can detect diseases in animals, and we can save them also.
Yes.
Sir, you can see the example of the corona.
So many people, they are running NGOs and animal NGOs. They are posting their information about NGOs in social media, and because of them, so many people are donating money. Even I am also donating money. Just because of the technology, they are able to aware people that I am running NGO and I need money, and they are serving for the animals.
Wow. Sir, listen to me. Let me complete it. Sir, there is no need of sir NGO and other sectors of the private who are saving. Sir, I want to say that only save their lives who are restricting. Because, sir, science, you can see the data of the Red Book data. Sir, you can see that there are 14% of the Amazonian forest of the total Earth. Amazon forest, sir, Amazon. Sir, there are total Earth of the 14%. But now you can see the data. There are only left less than 6%.
Oh my goodness.
And this is not a good things in our.
Why are you She meant something else. She said that we are able to detect. It means we are able to check the diseases, and we are able to treat the patients as well because of science.
Animals.
So, exactly. Animals and everybody, of course.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Because of science. And
he has a good point about environment. Please come ahead. Yes.
You said science, by use of science, you can detect diseases.
Yes, yes.
But what reason that disease is happening?
Oh my God.
There are many diseases. It is just because of technology. You are having something and you are throwing the polythene bags. It is technology. It is your etiquettes. Cows are eating polythene bags just because you have thrown them.
Development of science. You made products.
And because of science, we have machines which can convert the polythene bags into useful thing.
Use polythene by which product? By science.
Yes.
And
how are you manufacturing
How
that?
are you manufacturing that?
We are manufacturing
This is a waste management. This is a waste management.
So
And
we
by
have to
waste management and
invent
waste
something to use it. Yeah,
waste
it is
management.
not possible
Waste
that we can.
So why are you inventing and
Science
developing
is-
something which is destroying us?
Science is also
Yes.
science is also destroying marine and ocean's life.
Oh my God!
Science is also destroying marine life because of waste management goes to sea.
Yes. You are absolutely right.
And it is just because of technology. You can't blame.
Science
He was
based
saying that because of the technology, our country is the most polluted one because of the technology. Yes. So in world, what do you think? Which country has the most technology? The USA?
But in India,
Japan? They are not polluted. Because they have found ways how to manage that development and the nature. You have not found it. That is your problem. You are not going. You are not.
Very nice. And life expectancy of Japan is more than India.
Yeah, exactly.
But they have more technologies. So it means science is good. Wow, I'm supporting you guys.
no.
Exactly.
Of course, that's true. That's the reality.
You have to find ways to establish.
I also have.
Earthquake, bhukam, what?
If you tell me कि science Japan is higher, Japan is good according to India.
Many other countries.
So if bomb is to be down in the Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, their effect will be there right now.
You made
So
the bomb.
some people are born in Japan.
You
So
made the
also
You made the bomb. We use
science made bomb.
we made fire to cook food, and you use fire to bury the house of your neighbor. That is up to you. That is up to you. No.
This is not. This is invalid point. Yeah.
You made atom bomb.
You made, na?
Because of help of the science, atom bomb will be.
Atom bomb. And atom bomb.
They did it intentionally.
But she's trying to say that where you are using that matters, right? There is a fire where you're using it for cooking or you're using for burning people. So just like burning people.
No. But by
So,
science.
sir, where the item bomb, where is it is being used, that matters. She wants to say. Yes.
Exactly. And it was the war. They did it intentionally.
What? Yeah.
They did it intentionally to destroy. Exactly. They did it intentionally. If they were aware of the fact that it will be cause destruction and all.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
You are talking about that the bomb is made by science. Sorry,
Yes, you people.
bomb is fallen off Japan, Nagasaki, and Hiroshima. The father of atomic bomb, Robert J. Oppenheimer, it himself said that I am become the death. I am become the destroyer of the world. Oh my God. When he himself
I am becoming.
the father said, if he is not made the bomb by using the science, then 80,000 people were alive.
So he said, no, I am
Oh
destroying
my
the world.
God. He said he made it. He knew that I will collect all these chemicals and develop something. It will ruin the city and also why he knew everything. Yeah, he did it nationally.
Okay,
So
what
is
about the experiments?
Experiments? What experiments?
Atomic bomb experiments?
Let other people also talk. Here.
If you misuse science, then it become vain.
Why science? Why? Misusing of a science, na? Why science? If science is not there, there is no misuse.
Science is not made to misuse, na? Please use it in a right way, right direction.
Of course, very nice.
Why you make atom bombs and
Whatever we make, it is useful. Why are you misusing? If you're misusing, that's your fault.
most of the people who are standing there, standing here, they are watching YouTube videos, learn, write and read, and then come here and talk about this topic, right?
Most important point, the misuse of science is it is depleting stratosphere layer and ultraviolet rays are coming more. Because of science development, greenhouse gases are increasing. It's depleted stratosphere layer and ultraviolet rays are coming. It's burning our body.
That's the point. That's great.
Already, ma'am said that lifespan of the Japan and in technology in sir, America is increases. Sir, I want to say that, but you can see the globally matlab, region, they are also impacted. Like sir, ozone layer, sir. You can see the
He has mentioned about it.
ozone layer and sir, our environment and
Because
temperature
science is
increases
not
and
going-
glaciers are melting also.
Okay, science is not going to cut the trees, right? People are cutting
Why?
trees, not
No,
science.
Very nice, very nice.
Okay.
Global warming can increase because of deforestation as well.
Deforestation.
Do you not use plastic bags? Do you really not use?
Excuse me?
I'm
It is
also
used
used
for
one,
you-
but
Yes.
you. Sir, listen to me, sir.
Deforesting
The forest,
Yes.
sir, for the buildings.
for the buildings.
And sir, this type of infrastructure. I don't need this type of infrastructure and just live in the.
Again, you are accepting, na? Tushar, you come first of all. You were trying to say that, this global warming, greenhouse gases. Sir, why do you forget? Like she mentioned about we are doing deforestation. If you are cutting trees, it will
Science
increase.
science is not going to cut the trees.
With the help of machine, with the help of tools, sir, humans, people easily cut the plants and deforestation
People easily cut the plants.
Yes.
Science is not cut the plants.
With the
Okay?
help-
People easily cut the plants.
with the help of science.
Why are you
Scientific
talking
tools.
to me?
With the help of scientific tools.
Science-
Men cutting the plant. Men cutting the plant. Men are cutting.
With the help of
Okay, you really want to say
Scientific
that science is the machine is only made for the cutting the trees, right?
Yes.
It is. Yes. Okay. Are you? This watch is. Okay. What is this? Why are you wearing this?
Because of science.
This is machine. It's a gadget, right? Why do you use
Why
it?
you wear it?
Why?
Exactly, of course.
And
You have phones, right? You have mobile phone.
You said human people cutting forest.
Yeah.
But science uses fertilizers. It also affects agriculture because of pesticides and fertilizers.
Exactly. Yes.
And you said human people cutting forest and yeah.
But wait, who is using the fertilizer?
But science
Again,
makes
people.
because of science, because of
Because of the growing population, people are not stopping.
Yes.
They have to increase the productivity.
Yes.
but agriculture is affecting. Crops are affecting.
We have to fulfill the needs of the people, right? Because of population. And because of this fertilizer, we are able to grow more.
In this
People demands are
in
very
this
high.
time,
People demands are very high. They need
in
everything in his life. They want their life very easy. Okay, you use refrigerator, you use AC, you use light in your life, and because of science,
made
they all
products,
are made.
refrigerator, ACs, and
Why are you
Please
using
don't
fertilizer?
please
That's the point. Why are you using fertilizer? It is your fault, right?
don't use.
Don't use if you think.
You just point out on her watch, his watch, and his phone,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So this is all our machine. Okay.
Yes.
So through machines, people are not socialized to everyone right now. Before machines, before mobiles, people have to socialize.
He's introvert now because of this mobile phone.
Because of this mobile phone, people
Because-
don't socialize. They in wedding, they have to use their phone and then don't talk to anyone else.
Oh my god. A
If-
Dulhan
if-
is busy not looking Dulha as well.
Yeah, they are busy in scrolling on his reels.
Oh,
Excuse
Chandni,
me.
Come on, yes.
Where are you come from?
I'm from Ujjain.
Ujjain.
Yeah.
And how to connect your family?
How will you get
How will you get connected to your family?
your family?
Yeah, it's phone, of
Phone
course.
because of technology.
Before phone.
technology. Because of technology. And how you come from there?
Okay, so
and
there is
how
a.
you know to this coaching?
But in bedside, we have to see machines. They are impacting on people. They don't talk to anyone else, and their time will be decreased. Matlab, they are lazy. They are become more lazy through using social media, through phone calls or
You
all of
don't
that.
blame science because you eat for why? For energy, but you overeating, you get ill because you getting more.
So you tell me that just it's all about the people's.
Yes, all depend on people how to be they use it.
Means science is good.
Yeah.
If you're using it unnecessarily,
It is bad.
just like overeating, she could give example, right? Very
So
nice.
so tell me, people have to also marital affairs by the because
Oh
of
my God,
because of
yes.
that, because of phones.
Extramarital affairs.
Because of phones,
No.
they have so many options.
No, it's not.
They have.
It's depend on pupil wisdom.
Charlie can do it. Come on, Charlie.
Because of
it's
they
not-
have so many options.
No, not option. It's because of your wisdom. If you have no knowledge, you don't know how to correct yourself. And by technology, you can provide digital classroom, digital online classroom, and digital classroom. We use it and we learn from village and anywhere, and be connected with people worldwide because of science.
She says that everyone connected by the people with science. I saw this picture before connectivity of science. That's like, is that now time? Everyone is seeing.
Why you make it? Why you make it?
Yes.
Why? If you need no need, why you make it?
If before time is seen this picture and no need for mobile and technology.
You said you don't need technology. Don't need science. Then through your phone? Why you use phone? Why you use phone?
Ma'am, you are going only personally. Targeted him. Wait,
Everyone. But now time everyone.
Ma'am, you have any points or not? First of all,
I have points.
you are going personally only.
No, sir. Everyone use now technology, and everyone have phone. Everyone go one city to another, and worldwide by transport we have good medical because of technology, because of science.
Okay. Yes.
Most-
yes. She's talking about the easiness of traveling. We can travel anywhere in the world
In
a very
education,
short time.
in digital classroom, online,
Yes,
online
exactly,
education
exactly.
provided us accessibly
Yes,
for
distance
all.
learning, e-learning, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Because of science, we can learn from anywhere in the world, right?
So sir, it's
Sir,
negative
science
point
give
is
us-
people
science
have
give
to
us-
show YouTube videos, and they have to make a bomb. They have to see videos of that.
Sir, I already say you. It's depend on people how they use it.
Don't misunderstand about
Yeah.
bomb. Bomb is also good. You can make it for saving this country.
Yeah.
You can make bomb. Now, what's the problem? You can make any bomb and you can talk to government of India. You can tell if, of course.
In that condition,
Yes,
it helps.
you should promote it.
Yes. It helps.
Wait,
And
wait.
sir, science give us
Here, Rishabh has good
clean
point.
energy. Sir,
Please,
clean
Rishabh,
energy.
come and talk.
Like
Unemployment increase due to science.
no.
Like chat GPT, computer, other program.
Yes, very nice.
It's no.
Other people should talk.
Unemployment increase due to science. Like chat GPT, some computer program, then manpower.
But because of science, people used to study and they become more knowledgeable because of science.
More people are committed suicide, no job.
Oh, but Rishabh, I would like to ask you a question. Why are you blaming job here and science here? It can be the problem of government too, right? There is no vacancy, maybe.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah,
Priyanshi, talk.
but private sector use of machines,
Like
technology, robotics.
Robot is doing everything. In our crops field, there will be robots.
You know that people who clean sewer line, they go to and clean this sewer line. This is so disgusting.
Oh, disgusting.
So disgusting.
Exactly, she's right.
So,
Imagine,
then
yes.
our PM forward this
That's a big
thing
point. Excuse me, I would like to ask you
and to
guys.
clean this by robot.
Yes. That's a good point. Imagine that he's your brother, he's your father working in that gutter. Yes.
What whose person is in poor family, then he is only for depends on types of work.
This is not good. This is not
No,
good.
this is good, Chandni. This is good.
No.
Why? How can you say this is not good?
Then the people, their kind in them, they are died. Died.
Because of the methane gas.
The point is that
What is
They-
if you are just
You said to him, you said to him, by which way he's coming from Ujjain? By train,
Yeah.
by train, by train,
you are very expert in changing the points, sir.
Okay.
by train, by which medium train is moving? By burning coal.
No.
By burning
Now
coal,
done electricity.
by
Now done electricity
energy,
because of science.
and by energy,
Sir.
by energy.
Okay.
Let me speak. By energy is energy made up by science, and energy is made by burning of coals.
Okay.
Burning of coals.
But sir, coals are
Burning of coals, and energy is made by bombs also, nuclear powers also. Nuclear powers made by science, and energy, bad energy evolves, and
No, now time our government work on clean energy like wind, solar and electricity.
and energy.
Electricity is also generated
By water.
By what?
Yeah.
By what?
But what is the point here, sir? What is the alternative goal of that? We are using coals for what? For science, na?
Science
But
means.
now it is stop.
But the energy evolving, it also damages environment. It also damages health benefit.
Exactly.
Heart issues increasing.
Exactly.
Cardiac, radioactive, you use of mobile, radio signals, radiations is increasing.
Why you
You
use?
use also.
Why you use?
Again, personally, ठीक है. Wait, let me go to those people who are not here. Yes, answer. Please, gutter point.
I want to answer you that you told कि if any person's working in gutter,
Yeah.
so what about that? They are not doing work in gutter by willingly. They are compelled. You snatch their work.
Yes.
No.
You snatch their work. That's why they are working. You made machines which harvest crops.
Yeah.
But in earlier they used to work in field. But you snatch their work. That's why they are working in.
So hard working. It's so hard working, and no, that people who work in field, they are so hard working. But harvester need two people who operate that.
How many people? Only 2 or 1?
Yes.
How many people?
But no, people have work na.
Where 10 people or 15 people or 20 people, 200 people are worked. But right now, by harvester, only 2 people are worked. It means that 180 people are become unemployment. That's why. That's why.
They save their time, they educate, they get
Come on, in the field.
You are getting money for the production, not for the number of people who are in the field to work. Okay, if you have 1 kg, 2 kg wheat, you will be get paid for that. It is not on how many people are working on the field. It is good that few people are working. If 4 people have to work in field earlier, now 2 people are working. 2 people can go for other skills also.
Yes.
Go for teaching also. And you're saying about the farmer, we have snatched the job of farmer. Now, if they know that machines are there for some work, they can upskill themselves for something good in life.
No, science.
For how long they will be in the field of agriculture and only they will get opportunity, and this will push them to work even harder.
No. Why do you want them?
No, sir.
Why do you want them to remain poor?
Yeah.
There must be a bit of.
So many people are employed in agriculture, but in the GDP contribution, the contribution is very less. Why?
Yes.
Why? Because there is no productivity. Where only 2 people are required, 4 people
Sir,
are just.
this productivity will only for 10 years or 20 years because they used fertilizers, sir. That's why it will become
fertilizer.
better.
We are going for organic fertilizers nowadays. You don't have to say like that.
Who use, sir?
And that is because of technology only.
Sir, that's what.
Government is working on it. Yeah. Earlier solar panels earlier solar panels were very expensive. Now it is very cheap. Every building has solar panels.
No, sir, it is not free of cost. Sir, they are only telling it is free of cost, but they are taking it.
It is free.
Why
it
not?
is free of cost. Don't you know about the PM Surya Ghar Yojana? Surya Ghar Yojana. You will get a subsidy for everything. Even I have solar panel in my office. There are solar panels everywhere. There are solar panels.
She can give you as well. No?
Yeah, I can give you, but you have to give money.
Sir, it is like that. I think everyone heard about Ujjwala Yojana. They offered everywhere you should take this gas, but they increased their price.
So because they thought that now it is.
Sir, I have one point.